everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to soundproof after installing drywall. Rooms have a tendency to echo, especially if you have hardwood floors. Now there is an easy fix for that. For this job, I'm going to be using some acoustical panels and some double-sided adhesive strips. So with these acoustical panels, they're really easy to install. You'll take your adhesive strips, go ahead, take one off. We'll peel it and then put it on the back of our cotton acoustical panels. We're going to put one on each side. Then we'll go ahead and remove the backing. Now we're going to take the acoustical panel and place it where we want it to go on our wall. And then just press where those adhesive strips are to hang it on the wall. What this is going to do is it's going to absorb the noise that's in the room when somebody's walking or talking and disturb the vibrations through the cotton. Now these acoustical panels come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, so you can fit exactly what you want. Thank you all for watching. Good luck on this project.